Changing a battery is an easy DIY project. Here's a list of the supplies you'll need. Started. Next, locate the battery, removing the cover if necessary, and identify.
Oh, hey. Hello. I'm gonna show you how to change a car battery today because I've changed so many in my life and I'm a DIY expert. You can trust me. I have a YouTube channel. So, let's change that car battery. Step number 1, go to your car. Let's go. Now, once you find your car, if you don't have a car, this video is not for you, but still subscribe. But once you find your car, open the hood. Kind of like this. Okay, the next steps are, you grab this. 1 second.
And set aside. Now you're ready to carefully remove the.
Okay, you're gonna undo the nuts on there, and then undo it like this. Okay, hello. Alright, then you put your battery in, and then you reconnect them, just like that. Did I start this? I started it. Okay, so this car, for some reason it just stopped turning on one day. It's not turning over. The battery's not on. Nothing's happening when I turn the key. So it might not be the battery, but a car person told me to try a battery before we do anything else. So that's what we're trying. Cross your fingers. Let's get it. Yo, I knew that was gonna happen because I'm an expert in cars. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to get all the best information here. Like, you could have paid someone $1 million to get that done, but you just saved yourself 20. Look, and now you have a happy wife that will make you sandwiches. Okay?
Yay! It works.
I'm surprised it worked.
Wow.
It's pretty crazy, huh? Alright, one last step here. Close the lid. And then, one last step here. Drive the car and have fun. Wear a seatbelt. Kirsty, any tips for the fans?
First step doesn't have to be complicated.
She's being serious.
Huh?
Oh, what's up?
Oh, were you just trying to get me to say a joke? Oh, tips? I don't know. See ya.
See you later. Alright, we just tried to start it again and it didn't start. Listen to this. Well, great. I guess we can text JR back. Alrighty, folks. The battery's barely trying to turn over. The car's trying to barely turn over. The car is barely trying to turn over. So I messaged our friend who works on cars for a living. So we'll see what we do next. Maybe I got the wrong battery. I don't think I did, but who knows, honestly. I'll let you know when I know. Alrighty. See you soon. Hello there, welcome back. I have not figured out what to do with this. So the battery is not working. Well, it's not recharging, my friend said, because it's like barely trying to start. So let me know in the comments what I should do. He thinks it's the alternator. I think that's right. And I've never changed anything in a car before besides the battery. And so let me know in the comments what I should do and if I should sell this bad boy over there. That was the plan in the first place. I know I can't get that much for it, maybe 4,000 or 5,000 bucks, but I don't know what to do. Should I fix it or just try to sell it the way it is? Alrighty, that's about it for this video. I appreciate y'all for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the car expert, Mr. Chris, and I will see y'all out there. Bye.